and Chickooo.
Hello kids, let's learn the farm animal's name. Guess the animal. Join the parts of animal. Good. Excellent. Very nice. Awesome. Good job. This is cow. This is cow. Join the parts of animal. Good. Excellent. Well done. Awesome. Good job. This is pig. This is pig. Join the parts of animal. Good. Excellent. Well done. Awesome. Good job. Excellent. This is sheep. This is sheep. Join the parts of animal. Good. Excellent. Well done. Good job. This is duck. This is duck. Join the parts of animal. Good. Excellent. Well done. Awesome. Good job. This is chicken. This is chicken. Join the parts of animal. Good. Excellent. Well done. Superb. Awesome. This is donkey. This is donkey. Join the parts of animal. Good. Excellent. Well done. Awesome. Good job. This is dog. This is dog. Join the parts of animal. Good. Excellent. Well done. Awesome. Good job. This is cat. This is cat. Join the parts of animal. Good. Excellent. Well done. Awesome. Good job. This is rabbit. This is rabbit. Join the parts of insect. Good. Excellent. Well done. Awesome. Good job. This is bee. This is bee. Bee is also a farm animal. Join the parts of animal. Good. Excellent. Well done. Awesome. This is horse. This is horse. Join the parts of animal. Good. Excellent. Well done. Awesome. This is goat. This is goat. Guess the farm animal. This is cow. Well done. This is horse. Good. This is dog. Nice. This is sheep. This is goat. This is chicken. This is pig. Wow! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Take care. Bye bye.